morning, everyone. You're watching Mount Carmel School Live, your very own school newsroom, bringing you the latest highlights and inspiring moments from Mount Carmel School.
I'm Kanishka.
And I'm Yashika. Get ready as we take you through a journey of learning, creativity, and meaningful experiences that have shaped our campus this month.
Headlines: Classes 10 to 12 reopen on 2nd March with renewed determination. Summer Camp 2026 ignites creativity through diverse activities. Grand culmination on 7th March showcases talent at its finest. Full school reopens on 12th March with great enthusiasm and energy. Peace Assembly and Peace Wall promotes harmony on 16th March. E-Library launched ushering in a digital era of learning. Principal Dr. Sister Archana inspires students with great motivation and inspiration.
News in detail. The academic journey resumed with great focus as classes 10 and 12 reopened on 2nd March.
Students stepped back into their classroom with a renewed sense of responsibility, determination, and clarity of goals, ready to take on the challenges ahead.
The atmosphere reflected seriousness blended with enthusiasm, promoting the tone for a successful academic session ahead.
Soon after, the school campus transformed into a vibrant hub of creativity with a much-awaited summer camp.
Students explored a wide spectrum of activities such as art, theatre, drama, craft, dance, spoken English enrichment, cooking, and many more.
Each group became a platform of self-expression, skill development, and confidence building, allowing students to discover hidden talents and new passions.
From the aroma of delicious dishes to the rhythm of dance and the power of words, every corner of the school came alive with energy.
The grand culmination on 7th March was a magnificent celebration of talent, efforts, and creativity.
Students presented their learnings through spectacular performance, showcasing not only their hard work but also their confidence and teamwork.
The audience was captivated as each performance told a story of dedication and passion, leaving everyone inspired and proud.
On 12th March, the school reopened completely, bringing back the lively spirit of the campus.
A special assembly was conducted where our respected Principal Dr. Sister Archana addressed students with great motivation and insight.
She spoke about the importance of having a fixed vision, mission, and goals, not only for the institution but also for every individual.
Her message encouraged students to reflect on their purpose, set meaningful targets, and work consistently towards achieving them.
It was truly a moment of reflection, inspiration, and renewed commitment.
In light of the ongoing global conflicts, our school conducted a peace assembly on 16th March, spreading a strong message of unity and compassion.
Principal Dr. Sister Archana addressed the gathering, reminding everyone that peace begins with our thoughts, words, and actions.
Students presented thoughtful performances that highlighted the value of harmony and coexistence.
The special highlight of the day was the creation of a peace wall.
This wall was beautifully adorned with heartfelt messages, meaningful drawings, and creative expressions by students.
Every message reflected hope, empathy, and a deep desire for a peaceful world.
The peace wall stood not just as an artwork, but a strong, powerful symbol of unity and collective responsibility.
Adding practical values to learning, Dr. Sister Anne Maria conducted an impactful session on CPR, teaching students essential life-saving techniques.
Students learned how to respond during emergencies, skills that can truly make a difference between life and death.
The summer camp also included engaging activities such as healthy juice preparation and soap making, also spreading awareness about health, hygiene, and self reliance.
The wellness group further conducted an informative assembly emphasizing the importance of physical and mental well being. And now, stepping into the future of education,
Mount Carmel School proudly introduces its e-library, a digital gateway to limitless knowledge.
with access to ebooks, digital resources, and learning tools, students can now explore beyond the boundaries of traditional classrooms.
This initiative marks a significant step towards smart, modern, and independent learning.
From academic excellence to creative exploration,
From life saving skills to the values of peace and harmony.
Mount Carmel School continues to not just nurture minds but hearts and character. This is Mount Carmel School Live, signing off. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep shining.